These are the cushions from my dinette in my camper. I always thought that they were pretty comfortable, but then I sat on the cushions in Todd Stotter's camper, who, by the way, had the same cushions that I do. But I was absolutely blown away by the big differences between his cushions and mine. Oh my gosh, seriously? They were so much more comfortable to sit on. Then he shared his secret with me. He had just switched out the foam in his cushions. So in this video, I'm gonna switch out the foam in my cushions using the same foam that he did. Not only will this foam make sitting at your dinette or your table in your travel trailer much more enjoyable, but if your dinette or your RV kitchen table also converts to a bed like mine does, this foam is going to make sleeping there so much more comfortable too. And I'm going to show you exactly what foam he used and where to get it coming up, because this foam cost me less than $150 to buy. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Randy, and every Thursday I help you make big memories in small campers. There was one mistake I made while I was doing this project. And stay tuned, because I'm going to tell you exactly what it was so you don't make the same mistake that I did. The very first thing I did before I placed my order was I measured my cushions. 32 inches in width, 18 inches, and 4 inches. Be sure to measure every cushion that has a different size. The inside is wrapped with a thin layer of plastic. So I'll rewrap the new foam with this plastic when I get it all ready. And this is what the foam looked like inside my cushion. And it had a top layer of fiberfill on it. So you're also gonna need some fiberfill for this project. More on that coming up. I'm so excited to see my new cushions. This is heavy stuff. I love that you can order this foam to the exact size and shape that you need. When I lifted the roll out of the box, I could tell this was high density foam. It feels soft, a little squishy, but much firmer than the cushions I was using. You can buy the Recon fiberfill separately, or when you place your order, there's an add-on option for a fiberfill wrap that can be placed around the foam that you order. I ordered mine separately, so I had to cut it. So perhaps getting it wrapped around the foam when you place your order might be the best way to go. Let's do this. Let's assemble everything and let's get the foam in the cushions. I did notice that the fiberfill didn't stay flat when I was putting it inside the cushion. So I took my hand and I went around and I just flattened it out. So it was nice and smooth and there weren't any bumps. Voila! Okay, after I was all done switching out my foam cushions, I opened the receipt, which was on top of the box, and this is what I saw. Please wait 24 to 48 hours to allow your foam to completely expand. I didn't do that. So make sure you open up your foam and let it expand before you put it in your cushions. Okay, it's time for the true test. This is the cushion that I just refilled. There, it's so comfortable. And this is a cushion I have not refilled yet. Let's sit on here. See if we can feel the difference. Oh, wow. Did you see how much I sunk it down? Yeah, this is quite a significant difference. I mean, I just sunk down when I sat on this cushion. And now back to here, can you see how much higher? I just feel taller. Yeah, this was definitely worth it. I'll leave all the information, including the website for where I bought all this foam and the filler, in the video description below. And before you leave, you're gonna wanna watch this video next, because this video right up here is jam-packed with more modifications, accessories, upgrades, and hacks that you're gonna wanna know about. So click here and watch this video next. Now that's a wrap.